Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of July, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this period. The stock has gone through natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 2.96%. This results in an average return of 1.48% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and subdued upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend forecasts an anticipated change of approximately 10% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from about 7% to 20%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of approximately 35% over the next year, with a possible return between 28% and nearly 47%. This corresponds to a price range of around $602.75 to $692.19 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price increased by 2.96% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024. It rose from $457.53 to $471.07. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.37%, ranging from a day low of $466.41 to a day high of $472.79. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 2.22% during this period. Notably, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 5 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 43 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $20.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price stands at 6.44%, or $32.45, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Nasdaq 100 ETF, commonly referred to as QQQ, experienced a notable recovery on the 26th of July, with a 1% gain following a challenging period marked by growing concerns surrounding what is termed AI fatigue. This downturn was initially triggered by Alphabet's disappointing earnings report, which revealed an increase in capital expenses and prompted investors to reevaluate their confidence in the technology sector. Investors are now encouraged to closely examine QQQ as a long-term investment. Over the past decade, an investment of $10,000 in QQQ would have grown to over $54,000, highlighting its potential for substantial returns when compared to the S&P 500. This ETF provides diverse exposure to leading technology companies, including major players such as Microsoft, Apple, and NVIDIA, which are among its top holdings and are poised to benefit from ongoing trends in artificial intelligence, e-commerce, and cloud computing. However, recent market dynamics indicate a shift away from technology stocks, as consumers increasingly depend on credit for their spending, accompanied by rising delinquency rates. This transition could exert additional pressure on QQQ in the near term, particularly since value stocks have historically outperformed growth stocks during market corrections. The valuation gap, which reflects QQQ's premium over value counterparts, is currently at levels not seen in 2 decades, suggesting that a pullback may be imminent. While actively managed ETFs are experiencing significant growth, attracting 25% of asset flows this year, the future performance of QQQ will depend on the forthcoming earnings reports from major technology firms, which will provide greater insights into the sector's health. In light of these factors, both short and long-term strategies regarding QQQ will necessitate careful consideration of evolving market conditions and consumer trends. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 30th of July, 2024. So far, the price has increased by nearly 3%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume is rising in conjunction with the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. The QQQ ETF is currently holding a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the ETF. Should the price continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $480.98. On the other hand, if the price declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $465.39. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would generate an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MCD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 63 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 173 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $463.38. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $6.38 between its high and low, which is 1.37%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.90%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $479.49. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a relevant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ reaches its first support level at $463.38. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $442.98, reflecting a decrease of 5.96%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ presents several encouraging indicators. However, these signals do not yet warrant a recommendation for purchase. At the current price level, it is more suitable to view QQQ as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of August, we anticipate that QQQ will open lower by 98 cents, beginning trading at $470.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.